In this aid, we will voice our fundamentally own and market's viewpoint on Movr future while talking about the Movr cost figure for 2023 and then some, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand. Most certainly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Movr in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Movr value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Movr is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will Movr especially succeed or generally come up short, or for what reason will Movr value rise or drop? We should rapidly especially toss a look at what Movr certainly is and its to-date history, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Movr value expectation for the kind of next 10 days in an unobtrusive manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an extremely complete breakdown, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed kind of high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a fundamentally large manner. When by and large add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon essentially is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers generally are selling hazardous resources and moving into basically more steady business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous generally play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some really green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of is basically reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and really alter the course in an unpretentious manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many basically times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We essentially expect whales and other, in every practical sense, greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task in an especially significant manner. Basics that we basically assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative kind of potential, and a few pretty other truly exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 6.76% $8. 54202301 27 plus 1.49% $8 12202301 28 plus 5.01% $8 40 202301 29 plus 2.57% $8 20202301 30 plus 3.10% $8 25 202301 31 3.82% $7 69 202302 01 plus 3.65% $8 29 202302 02 plus 0.22% $8 02 2023 02 03 0.74% $7 94 2023 02 04 plus 3.99% $8.32 Movr value expectation 2023 especially high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance generally pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, or so they essentially thought, at the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down. 2023 by and large isn't looking excessively certainly really great for the bulls. In opposition to mainstream thinking, we will likely really see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip in every practical sense, lower with every sort of minor market quake in a significant manner. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately, or so they truly thought. Underneath really is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 8.87% $7.29. 2023 Blemish 23.91% $6.09. 2023 APRA 16.48% $6.68. 2023 May 11.64% $7.07. 2023 June 4.14% $7.67. 2023 Joel plus 10.31% $8. $9.82 2023 AUG plus 13.60% $9.09 2023 SEP plus 21.62% $9.73 2023 OCT plus 25.49% $10.04 2023 NOV plus 36.27% $10.90 2023 DEC plus 44.32% $11.54 2024 JAN plus 56.00% $12.48 MOVR value forecast 2025, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Our expectation model sees MOVR coming to $19.59 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will MOVR be by and large worth in 5 years, which is genuinely critical? The cost of MOVR in 5 years could lie around $19.09 in a significant manner. Movr value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Movr will be really worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Movr coming to $48.99 in 2030. What Movr will explicitly be exceptionally worth in 2040 in a significant manner. Our gauging model sees Movr coming to $97.97 in 2040, which is very critical. Will Movr supplant, basically outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking? No, Movr won't explicitly supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is Movr especially worth purchasing, which especially is very huge? We certainly are supporters of modestly unsafe financial planning. By and large contribute the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of huge cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Movr fundamentally merits purchasing in an unpretentious way. Is Movr a truly wise venture? Movr is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It really does by and large have basically higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, especially dynamic local area and a strong group behind it incredibly. How genuinely much will Movr sort of be genuinely worth in an unpretentious manner? For the genuinely momentary future, it could reach $4.89. In the long haul, it could leap to $48.99 or considerably higher, which sort of is very huge. For what reason will Movr fundamentally succeed and become more expensive? Movr explicitly has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, by and large dynamic local area and an especially strong group behind it in a for the most part significant manner. These are an essential for progress, and that really is the reason our expectation model sees Movr ascending to $48.99 in 2030. For what reason will Movr sort of fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task. Controllers generally proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, certainly more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting system, losing local area support. Sort of likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to essentially accomplish expected extremely least development action on the